What's up, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of Chris Glides. Today, I'm doing a crab run with the MDAMRA chapters, which includes Baltimore Metro, Chesapeake, District, First State, Fort Washington, Old Glory, and Williamsport. And what we do is annually, we ride out to Chesapeake Landing Seafood Restaurant, and we do all-you-can-eat crabs. It's a good time, and the ride is excellent. It's about an hour and a half away and a lot of curved roads and old town historic areas to see. So check it out. Come on in with us. So we just arrived at Chesapeake Landing Seafood and Carry Out, and in here we have the Maryland area chapters for HOG. We have our annual crab run. We go in here, we eat crabs. I don't know if you guys seen a video from last year, but everybody brings their bikes out that can bring their bikes, and we just have a good time. So a few more bikes down there, probably a few more on the way, because we usually go from like 11 to 1 and have a good time. So check it out. Let's go on in. So it's exactly like the same scenery from last year. Oh wow, they got a tank with everything in it. Puffer fish, a little cloudy in there, but let's see who's here. Everybody's here. This is the back room that we normally go. So, hi, how you doing? Hey, everybody. Hi. How you feel? Hey, how's it going, man? All right. Dave. Jimmy, Tracy. I said, we were really a college chairs. Then we got to our bike reputation. Alright, so these guys are killing it.
Very good?
My chicken.
It's coming.
Okay.
They got a lot of stuff in the fryer right now.
Alright, so these guys got all their crabs going. What size are these, guys?
Like mediums.
Mediums? Okay. So what they do for you guys overseas and for you guys in other states, in Maryland we have these what they call blue crabs, and well, that's a piece of chicken right there, but they have the blue crabs, and
I think that one's mine. So one of those is
you know, crack them open and eat them. So we come here in once a year, and so the price is $40, all you can eat crabs. And did the chicken come with it too?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Crabs, and then they give them I guess a few pieces of chicken or whatever. And yeah, so everybody in the room will do that, and except for people who don't eat crabs like me. So as always, we had a good time, and it was just time to go. I like these rides on the way back home. You go through these old towns and things like that, and it's just amazing. And I always say I got to come back here in my car. St. Michael's is the name of the city, and it's just a nice place to walk around. Lots of bridges and water areas where you can go fishing. But one of the things that was on my mind was how windy it was on the way down. And sometimes they'll shut the bridge down if it gets too windy, because cars have known to get into accidents and come up off the bridge. And so imagine how windy it is when you're on the motorcycle. But I just crank my music up and have a good time and enjoy the ride on the way back. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this quick episode of Chris Glides. I hope to see you guys again soon. And check out some of my other videos that are going to pop up here. And as always, stay tuned, because who knows where we're going to go next.